Hi there! Today we are going to make a vegetable which is green in color. Can you guess which one that is? Yes, we are going to make a bottle gourd. So, are you ready? Well, this is going to be a very simple activity for which we are going to follow the steps and start making our vegetable. So, let's take our pencil and start drawing. At first, we are going to make a small oval. This is going to be the top part of our bottle gourd. After that, we are going to make a bigger oval right here. This is going to be the end of our bottle gourd. Can we draw this together? This is so much fun. Now, let's join it with a curved line. It is very simple. Once we are done with that, we are going to make the top of it and then sketch it. Well, if you know, you do not have to sketch the circles or the ovals. All you have to do is sketch the outer line. Let's sketch this together. This is going to make our fair drawing and make our bottle gourd look lovely. Let's draw this together. Go very slow while sketching. Once we are done with that, we will take our eraser and erase all the rough parts. Something like this. Make sure you erase very slowly. This looks great. Now we will select our color, which is... Can you tell me which color this is? Yes, it is green color. So let's take our light green color and start coloring inside our bottle gourd. You know the drill now. At first, we are going to outline and then color inside. So let's start doing the outline first. Touch the drawing and color properly. This is great. Now let's make compartments for our bottle gourd and color inside each compartment. We will make sure that we fill color in one compartment first and then color the rest of them, just like how it's shown here. Go very slow while coloring. Do not go outside the lines. We will press the color hard on top of the paper so that we don't leave any white spaces. Complete coloring the entire bottle gourd in a similar way. If you see any white spaces, make sure you get rid of it. This looks amazing.